Guys online, everyone, very good morning, everyone. Very good morning. Welcome to today's class. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Thank you very much for asking. Sisi and all of you, I hope you are also keeping fine. Okay. Right, everybody. So Achinta, you're unable to do your practicals today. Okay, no worries. But please do get the recording after the class and practice it when your keyboard is working. Okay. Right, everybody, I plan to start PowerPoint today. Okay, Microsoft PowerPoint, I want to start today. Okay, right, everybody. In our last practical class, we came to the we were doing the 2016 word processing question, and we partially completed it. Everyone remember it? Do you all have the 2016 past paper word processing question with you all? Those of you who downloaded the files just yesterday, can you all create a folder called 2016 past paper dash word processing? Those who downloaded the files just yesterday. Now, these files were given to you all last week, and we partially did them. But last week, some of you all did not have your laptops, isn't it? So if you downloaded them just yesterday, put them inside this particular folder. Okay? Abdul, everything okay there? Abdul Rahman, over there, what's going on? Done? Okay, phone is away. Okay, right. This Umar, right? You're also okay there? Right, awesome. So everybody, those who downloaded it yesterday, the files that I gave you on WhatsApp, please make sure it's inside this folder called 2000. Ignore this is the data. This is the data. I just put it for my reference. Okay, you can ignore this part and get this area down. Okay. Right. So then we are going to get moving. Okay. So guys, girls, everyone, guys online, if no files, drop a message. If there are any newcomers online, drop a message. I don't see any newcomers here. Okay. Sandini. Sandini is a newcomer or?
Yes, sir.
Right, everybody, I'm going to open up the question paper over here. And over here, it tells us, so we did the first part. We were talking about area holiday rentals. And we created task WP1A. Everyone, can you open up the question paper as well? Okay. And we were supposed to create a letterhead. In a letterhead, what do you have? You have the company name at the top. You can have the contact details at the top itself. Or if you want, you can bring it to the bottom. All up to you. So what did we do, guys? We have a Word document called task WP1A. No? Everyone have it? Task WP1A. This was the file we created in last week's class. Okay, let's open it up. And inside this, you had a laptop with you, right? So, come on in. Sorry? Safe. Okay, so guys, can you all see over here? We have the company name over here. No. Come in front, please. We have the company name over here. We have the contact details over here. Guys, girls, everyone there? Yeah, hurry up. Careful. Who is that over there? Adil, I think I'll take a bag inside, please. Don't keep the bags out. Okay. Right, everybody, this is where we came and stopped at last week. So we decided company name, logo, contact details. We are going to keep them all at the top. Generally, in certain letterheads, guys, company name is at the top. Contact details will be at the bottom. Okay, it's your choice. You can choose in a letterhead. Everyone remember what a letterhead is, right? A letterhead is the official document of a company. Okay, where they have the company name, the logo, and the contact details. Okay, what is this blank space kept for? What is this blank space kept for? Exactly, for you to type your letter. This blank space is for you to type your letter content. Whatever content you want to send to your customers, you would type it in this blank space. Everybody okay there? Girls, what's wrong? Okay, hurry up. Okay. Right, everybody. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to continue from my question now. So everybody over here, we get moving. Mr. Peters, who is a customer, has requested a list of cottages he has rented in 2016. Can everyone read that with me? Abdul, all of y'all, read with me, please. Mr. Peters, a customer, has requested a list of cottages he has rented in 2016. Martin has saved the letter of a letter to Mr. Peters as draft. Everyone has it? Do you all have a file called draft? Can you all open it up and read it? Apparently, inside draft, what should you find? The content of your letter, isn't it? The content of your letter is inside draft. Can you guys see if that's true? Can everyone open up draft and see if that is true? So when I open up draft, when you open up draft, you can see, there you are. This is your letter content. We have received your request letter details of your rentals in 2016. Okay. All these details are over here. Everyone saw this? Guys, girls, okay with this? Okay. Atif, all of you, everything okay there? Okay. Right. So this is your letter content. What to do? I don't know. Let's keep reading. So then he goes on to say, using task WP1A, complete the letter to Mr. Peters by doing the following. Step number 1, inserting the text from the file draft. Can somebody help me there? How do I do that? Exactly. You go and copy and paste. So everybody over here, many of you are using a trackpad now, selecting everything, girls behind. Selecting everything is going to be difficult. Shortcut key to select everything? No, Control A. If you press Control A, it selects everything. Okay, boys, with me? Control A, do you have the files? Control A will select everything. Then Control C to copy. Control C will copy. Then you go to tasks WP1A and press Control V. But first, put your cursor in the correct place. Put your cursor in the correct place. I'm going to double click. I want it to appear here. Double click where you want your text to get pasted. Everybody okay with this? Himal, what's going on there? Are you okay? Okay. Double click where now I want it to appear from this point onwards. Okay. Then Control V. Okay. So here you go. The text has been inserted. Everybody okay with this? Right, everybody keep moving. Guys, girls, everybody. Next it says, inserting selected information from the file Peters in appropriate locations. Girls behind, everyone. Boys, can you all open up the file Peters and read it and see what is inside it? Do you all have a file called Peters? So I have a file called Peters, everyone here. I have a file called Peters. And when I open it up, guys, I can see name is there, address is there, town, a table is there. So guys, where do you think I put these details? In the letter, of course, but where about? In the to section, right? But can you just copy and paste this? You can't just copy and paste this. You need to arrange it a little bit. So guys, Peters is the person who's supposed to receive it now, boys. Peters is the person who is supposed to receive this letter. So normally, guys, in a letter, where do you put the receiver's details? Left corner at the beginning of your letter, right? At the beginning of your letter. So guys, shall we take this down? Boys with me, everyone? Okay, let's keep your cursor at the behind. Let's keep your cursor at the beginning and press enter. Bring it down. You guys saw that? I kept my cursor here and I press enter to bring it down. Now I have space available here now. Now one by one, copy and paste. What do you copy and paste? Jonathan Peters. Control C, Control V. It's a little too close to the header. One more enter. Then guys, let's copy the next one, which is his address, 62 Moston Road. Control V. Then copy the town. Control C, Control V. Then copy the postcode. Telephone do we need? Telephone no need. Date of birth also no need. Everyone okay with this? Okay guys, a little bit of messy work here. You have to copy and paste each one. You can't just copy the whole thing and paste. That would be absolutely wrong. Yeah. Okay. Boys, girls, everyone. Then guys, next what shall we do? Then guys, can you all see there is a table over here? There is a table over here. Where do you, I'm going to copy this table. Can you all see this symbol here? When I click on this table, there is an option appearing over here. If I were to click it, the whole table gets selected. Everyone saw it? When I click on this option here, the whole table gets selected. Now I press Control C. Control C. Then I come and can somebody tell me where to paste it? No. Exactly. Paragraph number 3, no? In this table. So below this, you paste your table. Isn't it? Or above this. Below this or above this. You choose. Okay? So I'll keep it above. And Control V to paste your table. Everybody, if you want to undo, if you messed up, Control Z. Very nice. Control Z. Okay? If you ever mess up, guys. So either you put the table above this paragraph or below this paragraph. You choose. I'm going to keep it above. Okay? So there you go. The table is there. Okay? Then guys, girls. Okay? Okay, right guys, girls, everyone, I'm going to move away from here. Then guys, examiner says, adding any other features found in standard business letters. So guys, we have done this earlier. What else should you include in a formal letter? Standard business letter means it's formal, no? What do we call that? You need to have a salutation, right? Isn't it? Dear so-and-so. Isn't it? You need to have a salutation. So you can say, Dear Peter. Dear Peter. And you can put a comma. Anything else you think we need to include? You have your salutation. You also need to have your subject. Where does the subject come? No, not like that. In the letter, where about? Before what? After? After dear Peter. Dear Peter. So guys, what is this letter about? Rentals. Not enough. Not good enough. Read the scenario again. Martin, a customer. Mr. Peters, a customer, has requested a list of cottages he has rented in 2016. Girls, boys, all of you, what's a suitable subject here? 2016. Cottages rented by you in 2016 or rental records or your rented cottages in 2016? Okay, you choose a suitable subject line. You can say cottages rented by you in 2016. Based on the scenario, I came up with the subject line. Then guys, make it look like a subject line. So Control B to bold it. Control E to center align it. Control U to underline it. Are we all okay with this? Control B to bold, Control E to center, Control U to underline. Okay? So now it looks like a subject line, yeah?
We enlarge.
Should we enlarge it? That's also possible. If you want, make it size 14. Not wrong. Huh? It's a good idea, actually. Cottages rented by you in 2016. Boys over there. Omer, you don't have a laptop with you? You had a laptop, right? Then? Very easy excuse, it's broken. What have you done about it? Have you display? Now, have you given it for repair anything? You're buying a new one. Wow. When are you going to get the new one? Next week. Okay. Save the document as task WP1B. Everyone, not save, save as. Can somebody quickly tell me what is save as all about? Very nice. You're creating a copy and changing the name, isn't it? Save as means you're creating a copy of your file. So everyone look here, file, save as, or in my computer, in my version, it says save a copy. So you click on save a copy and tell your computer, browse. I want to search where to save it. Browse. And where do we want to save it? Choose your 2016 folder. Task WP1B. Everybody, task WP1B in your 2016 folder. Hurry up, everybody. Right, everybody, I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to click on save now, guys. We missed out so many things now. What about the ending? Guys, we only put a salutation and a subject line. At the end of a formal letter, what do you have? At the end of a formal letter, we have a signature. Okay, and before the signature, you have a yours sincerely. What do we call that? Complimentary clause, right? Everybody, can you all have this complimentary clause? Yours sincerely. Then you keep space for the signature and then you type the name of the sender. What's the name of the sender? Read the scenarios. Read the scenario. Martin wants a new letterhead. Is it clear? So what is his full name? Martin Kremkist, isn't it? And who is he? He is the owner. Everyone saw this. Martin Kremkist is the owner. So you will say over here in bold, Martin Kremkist and then owner. Guys, if you press shift enter, the gap between the lines will be minimal. And you can say owner. Are we good? So you have kept space for your signature as well. Yours sincerely, Martin Kremkist, owner. Okay? Right side, no. I've always seen everything on the left. Okay? Everybody okay with that? This okay. Zahir, if you don't mind, can you go and sit there in this chair here? Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm moving on then. Guys, girls, we are moving on. So everybody online, we are done with this part. We are done with this part, right? Can everyone open a new Word document called Task WP1C? In your 2016 folder, everyone is doing this. In your 2016 folder, boys behind, over there, we are doing this, okay? In your 2016 folder, we are going to right click and say we want a new Word document. What's the name of that Word document? Task WP1C. Can we do that? So in my 2016 folder over here, right click, new Word document. What's the name? Task WP1C. Now say for example, you couldn't rename it. How do you rename it now? F2, but you guys are all using laptops. So FN F2 O, you can right click and everyone can all see this symbol here. Rename. Everyone saw this? You can click on rename. You can say rename. And the name is what? Task WP2. Task WP2. You can double click and open it. Task WP2. So everybody here, guys, girls, everyone. The name starts on WP2. Task WP2. Okay? Actually, it's class WB1C. It's the connection class WB2. Okay, right. Let's keep moving. Right, everybody. Over here, guys, examiner has told us. Over here, examiner has told us. Where is it? Enter task WP1C, your name, candidate number, and center number in the footer. Can you guys enter these details in the footer and then press escape and come out of the footer? Task WP1C, your name, candidate number, and center number. For candidate number 1234, center number 1234. Everybody okay with this? So let's go down to the footer. Footer is at the bottom now. Everybody, the footer is right at the bottom. Double click to open it. What do we type here? Task WP1C, your name, your candidate number, and your center number. For now, we just put 1234, 123. Okay. Small differences will be there between mine and yours. Okay. Because then I do we must be okay. Right, everybody. Guys, girls, everybody. I'm closing the header and footer. Boys, header and footer, I'm closing it. Okay? Close header and footer. Right, everybody. Explain the purpose of conventions used in standard business letters. So in business letters, guys, we have certain conventions. They're asking you to give 2 conventions. Can you guys remember what we used? Okay, you have. Tell me the first one you said. Okay, you have the date, right? You insert the date. Why do we insert a date in a letter? For record keeping purposes, right? For you to, what do you call, indicate when was this letter sent to the customer. Everybody okay with this? Shall we note that down first? You can say, number one convention is inserting of the date. So one convention is, you can say, inserting date at the beginning of the letter. Okay, dash. Purpose is to indicate when was this letter sent to the customer for record keeping purposes. Everybody okay with this? No, in the normal area, in your content area. So everybody, we insert the date, inserting date at the beginning of letter. Purpose is to indicate when was this letter sent to the customer for record keeping purposes. Then guys, girls, another convention can be recipient's address is not a convention. Guys, what about a salutation? Dear, you can talk about the salutation. So why do we have a salutation? To have a friendly greeting with the receiver. Give me one more convention, guys. How do we end letters? Complementary clause, right? So let's note that down. Complementary clause. Complementary clause, why do we have it? To end the letter on a friendly note. We have a complementary clause to end the letter on a friendly note. Okay, guys, girls, in 30 seconds, I'm wrapping this up. With that, we come to the end of Word. Okay, we will then be moving on to PowerPoint. Okay. Right, everybody, I'm closing this, guys. It's time up. Okay. Now, guys, I'm closing this. Can you close the question paper? Free up your RAM now, guys. Whatever we don't need now, everything related to 2016, we can close it. This Word document can also be closed. Okay. So free up your RAM, guys. Whatever you don't need. Peter also, we don't need anymore. Close it. WP1A, WP1B, WP1C. Okay. All that you can close. Okay. You should save it and then close it. Okay. Camera is glitching. 1 second. Okay, I have changed the camera port now. We'll see if it gets any better. Okay. Right, everybody, guys, girls, we now move on to a new chapter. Please close everything else, boys. Now, inside your ICT folder, guys, you all had a word processing folder now. Right next to that, everybody, right next to that, can we have a new folder called presentation? Right next to word processing, can you all right click and say new folder? Or you can even use the shortcut key Control Shift N. Control Shift N is a shortcut key for a new folder. Are we okay with this? And the name of this folder is going to be called presentation. Presentation. Are we okay with this? So now we have just completed word processing and now we move on to presentation. Everybody okay with this? Girls over there, okay? Now inside presentation, guys, boys, girls, inside presentation, can you all double click, open it up, right click and say you need a new PowerPoint presentation. I need a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And the name of this will be Shapes. Can you name this as Shapes? Everybody, guys, girls, name this as Shapes and press enter. Are we okay with this? Okay, folder did you create? Okay, so guys, inside your presentation folder, right click and say you want a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. When you do that, it appears on your screen. The name is going to be called Shapes. Are we okay with this? The name of your PowerPoint file is going to be called Shapes. Right, everybody, now I have to explain a few things, so you all don't need to work. Just double click, open up PowerPoint and look at my screen now. Everybody, you all don't need to work now, just look at my screen only here. So I double click and open Shapes, the PowerPoint presentation. Right. So everybody, boys, girls, now stop working and look here. Everybody, stop working and look here. All of you all. Everyone, PowerPoint is an ideal software for delivering a large amount of information to a large audience. When you have a lot of information and you have a large audience watching you, PowerPoint is your best tool. Because PowerPoint allows you to organize your information into slides. Everybody okay with this? Can you all click here to add your first slide? Everyone click here. The moment you click here on the left-hand side, you can see your first slide has been created. Is it clear? Like in Microsoft Word, we had pages. In PowerPoint, we have slides. Okay. You can organize your information inside slides. Are we good? Everybody okay with this? Just like in Word, we have pages. Here we have slides. Okay. Right. Now, everybody, can you all see at the top, we have our ribbon, the Home tab, Insert tab, Draw tab. Can you all see those tabs there? Some of you all might not have the Draw tab. Not a problem. Okay. But at the top, you all have your ribbon. At the bottom, guys, everybody, at the bottom right, can you all see zoom in, zoom out? You all can see zoom in, zoom out, right? And then next to zoom in, zoom out, can you all see there are a few buttons there? Don't click on them, but you all see those buttons. Okay? What's wrong? See those buttons in everyone. There are about, what do you call, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 buttons are there. Everyone saw it? You guys saw those buttons, right? Okay. Now, everybody, we are going to do a presentation on the topic of shapes. Are we okay with this? So what I want you all to do is, can you all see over here? You all have a text box that tells you all, click to add title. So our title is shapes. So can everyone click on that and say shapes? Everybody, guys, girls, click over here and say shapes. Okay, shapes. Are we good? Click over there and say shapes. Then in your subtitle, can you put your name? Can you say done by and put your name, your full name over there. So the title is shapes and your subtitle is done by with your full name. Come on, everybody, save your work as you go along. Right, everybody, I'm going to insert a new slide. Guys, girls, everyone look here. I'm about to insert a new slide. In the home tab, can you all see new slide over here? In new slide, everyone, when you all click on the drop down of new slide, can you all see you all have different layouts to choose from? Do you guys see that? In new slide, you have a drop down now, everyone. In the home tab, in new slide, you have a drop down. Okay. Inside the drop down, you can see the different layouts that PowerPoint is offering you. You have a layout where it's title. You have another layout, title and content. Guys, do you all see that? So guys, can you all take title and content for now? Take title and content. Your slide number 2 layout should be title and content. If you make a mistake, guys, and if you want to delete, it's very simple. Click on the slide and press the delete key. On your keyboard, you have your delete key. You just press delete. It goes away. Or you can press Ctrl Z. Boys over there, you can press Ctrl Z to undo. So I'm going to say new slide. I want title and content. In your title, guys, can you all say content? Content. And then over here, our content is going to be what? Square, rectangle, what do you call? Triangle and circle. Boys, girls, everyone, can you all type these? So you can see in this presentation, we are going to talk about square, about rectangle, about triangle, about circle. Are we okay with this? Everyone okay? Right, everybody, guys, girls, over here, we have our content over here, square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. Okay. Then, guys, can you all take a new slide? This time the layout should be 2 content. This time the layout should be 2 content. Okay. So now take a new slide. The layout is going to be 2 content layout. And over here, guys, can you all say, I'm going to talk about what? Square. Square. Okay. Now, guys, girls, I want to show a problem to you all. So everyone look at my screen, look at me. Okay. Now, guys, everybody, when you're creating a presentation, guys, it's a good rule. It's a good idea. It's recommended for you to be consistent. Consistent means what? You're maintaining the same rules across every slide. Boys, look here below. Atif, all of y'all. Say, for example, guys, when it comes to your header, when it comes to your heading, not header, heading. When it comes to your heading, it's a good idea for every single slide to have the same font size, the same alignment, the same font style. This is what we call consistency. I'll give you guys an example. When you think about the Coca-Cola logo, do they always use red and white? They always use red and white, right? And their font is always cursive, right? They don't ever change it, isn't it? So next time, even if they don't write Coca-Cola, but if you see a cursive font with red and white, what comes to your mind? Immediately Coca-Cola comes to your mind. Even though the name is not there, the colors, the font, isn't it? Automatically give you the understanding this is Coca-Cola. Boys over there listening to me. Everyone, okay with this? So when you're creating a presentation, maintain consistency. Same font style, same font size, same alignment. Okay, everybody. But we have a problem. If I were to do that, guys, I have to manually do it for every single slide. Agree? Agree with me? Say, for example, I want to use a font called, I want to use a font here called Times New Roman. Everyone, can you change it? I want to use a font here called Times New Roman. Times New Roman. I want the size to be 76. Okay. I want it to be underlined, for example. I want it to be bold. 4 things. Times New Roman, 76, bold, underline. I want the heading, the title to be Times New Roman, 76, bold, underline. Everyone doing this? Now, guys, you're going to see a problem here. You have to manually do these changes for every single slide. Okay. Now come to slide number 2. Times New Roman, size 76, bold, underline. Anyone who couldn't do it? Is there anyone here who couldn't do it? Couldn't do it. Sorry? Now, guys, girls, everyone, look here. Now, guys, girls, look here. Boys, girls, everyone. These stylings that I told you, you have to manually do it for every single slide. Imagine if you had 100 slides, that's going to be a huge waste of time. Boys over there, Atif, all of y'all, it's going to be a huge waste of time if you had many slides. Okay, now again, you have to come to slide number 2, select the heading, make it Times New Roman. Can you guys try it? Size 76, 76, bold, underline. You can see individually every slide you have to make these changes, which is going to be a waste of time for you. I'm going to show you guys a method that you can use where you can make changes so that it applies to all your slides. What did I just tell you all? I'm going to show you all a method where you can make changes that apply to all your slides. Okay, everyone ready for this? Can you all save your work first? Everyone save your work, please. I'm about to show you all a method where you can make changes that apply to every single slide. Okay, right. Everyone work with me now. Everyone work with me. Boys over there. Hitikesh, all of you. Boys, what was your name? What was his name? Yeah. Hitikesh, right? I called you, didn't even look. Have you finished this? Okay, right. Can you guys change your view? Can everyone come to the view tab? Everyone come to the view tab below. In the view tab, do you all see something called slide master? Everyone see something called slide master there? Can everyone, I'll tell you what I mean by it. Come to slide master below. Boys, come into slide master. Okay. Now guys, when you come into slide master, your view has completely changed. Okay. Slide master is a view for you to control what happens on your slides. Okay. So guys, inside slide master, can everyone scroll right to the top? Inside slide master, can you all scroll right to the top? And can you all see there is one slide over here that's jutting out a bit? Everyone see it? Do it again. Okay, I'm going to go back into normal view again. What did I tell you all? Come to the view tab. Everyone, come to the view tab. Boys, come to the view tab. In the view tab, say I want to go into slide master. Okay. When you come into slide master, guys, I want you all to go into something called the master slide. The master slide controls the appearance of all the slides. Is it clear? Where is the master slide? It's right at the top. Can you guys scroll up? Scroll right to the top and click here. This is your master slide. These are the different layouts. This is the master slide. This is what? Whatever change you make here applies to everything. Are we good? Can everyone come to the master slide? Are you there? Everyone in the master slide, guys, you have to scroll up, scroll right to the top, the one jutting out. Now over here, guys, what did I tell you all about the master slide? Whatever changes you make here will happen to every single slide. Is it clear? Whatever changes you make here, every slide will have it. So let's start. I want the title. Everyone select the title. This title, I want it to be Times New Roman, size 76, bold, underline. Can you guys do that? Come to the home tab and say this particular heading in the master slider should be Times New Roman. Size 76. If it goes to 2 lines, don't worry about it. 76. It has to be bold. It has to be underlined. Now, guys, automatically, guys, every single slide is going to have this styling. Okay. I want you all to do one more thing. I want you all to change the font color to red. Yeah, make the font color of the title red. The moment you do that, what did you see? Every single layout has a title that is 76, bold, underline, red color. Did you guys notice that? Okay. So guys, again, I'm repeating myself. Whatever you do in master slide applies to every single slide. Why don't you all go back into normal view now? Go back into normal view and see if the changes took place. Go into the view tab. Go into the view tab and say normal. I want to go back into normal view. Do you see the changes? Everyone saw the changes? Your 3 slides are all red in color. Did you all notice it? Are we going to slide master again? Guys, girls, I want to keep making some more changes. Can you guys go into slide master again? Guys online, everyone okay there? Can we go into slide master again? I want to make some more changes. So view, everybody view tab, slide master. View, slide master. Can we go there? And when you go into slide master, guys, I want you all to go to the master slide, which is right at the top. Your master slide is right at the top. These are all layouts. I don't want to work with layouts. I want to work with the master slide. I want to control everything. So come right to the top, master slide. Okay. Then guys, I want to do something. I want the logo to appear where? In the bottom right-hand corner. I want the logo to always appear in the bottom right-hand corner. In every single slide of mine, boys, in every single slide of mine, I want the logo in the bottom right-hand corner. So let's use a star. Insert shape. Insert shape. Can you all take a star? Take a star and draw it in the bottom right-hand corner. Bottom right-hand corner, somewhere here. Everyone saw this? Guys, this is my logo. Now you will notice, guys, every single slide is having the star. Because whatever you do in master slide gets applied to everyone. Every single slide. Whatever you do in master slide gets applied to every single slide. Do you all need proof? Go into normal view and see if that's happening. Go into normal view and see is every single slide having the star? Yes or no? Everyone, let's go into normal view now. View, normal. Can you see every single slide is having the star now? Everyone saw that? Save your work, guys. Go back again into slide master. Some more changes to make. Slide master, please. And go to your master slide. Master slide. Save your work, guys. Everybody, save your work. Boys, everyone, save your work. Right, guys, all of you all have 10 minutes, 8:45. We will be back. Have a nice break. Right, everybody, guys, girls, we're going to keep moving forward. Okay. Everybody, can you come back into master slide view or slide master view? Everybody, can you come into slide master view? Everybody, come into slide master view and scroll all the way up to your master slider. Girls, everyone, scroll all the way up to your master slider. Okay, this is where whatever changes you make here gets applied to all your slides. Okay. Then guys, over here, everybody, over here, I want you all to insert a footer. Now everybody, simply typing your footer here is not good enough. Guys, girls, look here. Simply coming to the bottom and typing your footer is not good enough. Okay, you have to go to insert and you have to enable the footer. Go to insert in the insert tab. Everybody, again, I'm reminding you all, which view am I in? Slide master view. And I'm on the master slide. Okay, boys, are we okay with this? Put everything else away, please. Insert, header and footer. Then say enable footer, tick it. Otherwise, footer doesn't get activated. Boys over there, is all of you all. Okay. Otherwise, the footer doesn't get activated. Okay, I'll do it again. We come into the insert tab, insert, header and footer. Click on header and footer here and say enable footer. And then in footer, can you guys type over here, Platinum Business Academy? Platinum Business Academy. Guys, everyone look over here. We have enabled date and time. So for now, I have set update automatically. So date and time is enabled, footer is enabled, slide number I didn't enable, okay? So guys, all of y'all, can you all see near your logo, there is a hashtag. Some of y'all might have covered it. Some of y'all, it might be visible. This hashtag is your slide number. But have we enabled slide number? Answer is no. We haven't enabled slide number. So in normal view, it's not going to appear. Okay. Slide number, we haven't enabled it. So even though it's over here, in normal view, it will not appear. Okay. So you can now say apply to all. Everybody, can you all say apply to all? Okay. Right. Our final change, guys, everybody, our final change, guys. I want to put a background color for my slide. I want to put a background color for my slide. So guys, can you all right click on the blank white space? Don't right click inside the text box. The text box will change. Right click outside the text box, somewhere over here. Somewhere over here, right click outside the text box. Right click and say, I want to format the background. Okay. Everyone, don't right click inside. If you right click inside, it will get applied to the text box only. Okay. Right click outside the text box and say format background. In format background, guys, can you all say, I want a solid fill, a single color. What color? Go for a light color, maybe light green or light yellow. Let's do dark. Light blue. Everyone take a light color or maybe light green, light pink. Everyone, can you all choose a light color? Solid fill, light color. Okay, color, and I took a light one. Sorry? Apply to all, correct. Apply to all. The background. So guys, I'm going to undo this. Undo this. Everybody, I want to apply a background color to my slide. So guys, don't right click inside the text box. Right click outside. Right click outside the text box and say format background. Are we okay with this? Format background. And over here, on the right hand side, now 2007 users, it's a bit different for you all. Did you notice? You don't get anything on the right. You get a new dialog box, no? So guys, those who are using a later version, on the right hand side, format background and say solid fill. I want a single color. And then choose your color from here. Go for a light color so that the text is readable. Okay? And then say apply to all. Okay? Atif, Hitikesh, I'm watching you all. Okay, if I come to the laptop and see anything else is going on, it's not going to be good for you all. Everyone over here, can you all please choose this? Solid fill, light pink. Okay, and say apply to all. And say apply to all. Okay. Right, everybody, can we go back now, guys? Our layout is done. Our designing is done. Now it's time to insert content. Can you insert content in master slide view? You only do your designing in slide master. Inserting of content, where do we go? Which view? Normal view. For inserting of content, you have to now go back into normal view. Everybody, can you all do that? Now the designing part, the layout, the styling, that's done now. So we come out of master slide and we go into normal view. Can everyone go into normal view? Everybody, go into your view tab, and change it to normal. Now we are going to insert content for our audience to see. Okay, so now we are done with slide master. We now go into normal view. Everyone go there. Normal view. Can you all see the changes? Every single slide is having a star logo. Every single slide is having a pink background. Every single slide is having a red color font. What do you call? A red color title. Do you guys see it? So what was the rule, guys? Whatever you do in slide master or master slide applies to all your slides. Okay, so master slide can save a lot of time for you. Instead of you manually changing every single slide, you do it in master slide. Are we good? Right, can we complete our presentation in slide number 3? Can you guys say? Everyone, slide number 3. Can you all say over here? This is a square. This is a square. It has 4 sides. All 4 sides are equal to each other. Can you guys type this? This is a square. It has 4 sides. All 4 sides are equal to each other. Right, everybody, after square, we're gonna, everybody in your square slide, guys, girls, in your square slide, everybody, in your square slide, I want you to draw a square. Boys, look here. Boys, girls, come to insert shape. Insert shapes. Everybody, insert shapes. In insert shapes, can you all see we have a square? We have only rectangle here, but we are going to draw this rectangle like a square. Are we okay with this? We are going to draw this rectangle like a square. So you take rectangle. I'll do this again. Insert shapes. Insert shapes. Come to shapes, and here you have rectangle. Take your rectangle and draw it like a square with equal sides, something like this. Okay, everybody, can you all do that? Go to insert shapes. Okay, and draw the rectangle like a square with equal sides. Okay, okay. Very nice. Can you try first? Okay. That's a square for you. It's a rectangle. Square all has to be equal. Right? Corner of the table. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Sorry. It doesn't look like a square. It's not equal. Yeah, you can do that from here. But doesn't matter, it's all right. I just want to draw a shape, okay, that looks like a square. Right, guys, can we move on to our next slide? Everybody, can we move on to our next slide? Rectangle, boys. Can we move on to the next slide, rectangle? So we come to, in the home tab, we have new slide now. I'm going to go with 2 content. New slide, 2 content. Over here, the title is not going to be square, it's going to be rectangle. Rectangle. Then over here, what do we say? This is a rectangle. It has 4 sides. Okay. It has 2 equal sides. Okay. And then guys, can you all come to insert shape and draw a rectangle? From this end to this end, draw a rectangle. And then if possible, guys, change the shape fill, put a different fill. Put a different fill for it. Okay, put a different fill for it. Hurry up. Okay, right. Everybody, let's keep moving. Everybody, can we take a new slide now? Everybody, boys. We come to the home tab, new slide, which layout? Two content layout. Boys, we take a two content layout. Okay, new slide, two content. And over here, what do we say now? Triangle. We now are going to do triangle. So you can say this is a triangle. It has three sides. Okay, and now can you all come into insert shapes? Guys, you all can see triangle over here, right? Insert shapes, triangle. Draw a triangle from here to here. And give it a different color. Come on, guys, girls. Girls, all of y'all, this is a triangle. It has three sides. Boys, girls, everyone. Okay. Then guys, from triangle, we are going to have one more. Can I move? Circle, yeah. This is a circle. It has no corners. This is a circle. It has no corners. Shall I move on? So slide number 6, new slide, everyone. New slide. And I'm going to say over here, circle. Circle. This is a circle. It does not have any sides. And can you guys insert a circle from shapes? Insert shapes. You have circle over here. It's oval, but you can draw it like a circle now. Take the oval and draw it like a circle. Your shape fill can be, I don't know. You choose. Okay, guys, you'll have 2 minutes. Right, everybody, guys, girls. Everybody, guys, girls, can everyone look at my screen? Boys, girls, can you all save your work? Boys behind. Everyone save your work. Yusuf, what's going on there? Save your work, please, everyone. I'll come to you, okay? Can everyone come to slide number 2? Guys, girls, come to slide number 2, Vilu. In slide number 2, I want to use a feature called hyperlinking. Boys, look here. Hyperlinking means when I click on square, when my presentation is running, when I click on square, the square slide must open up. When I click on rectangle, rectangle slide must open up. You get what I'm saying? This is what we call hyperlinking, where when you click on the text, it takes the user to a different destination. Are we okay with this? So everyone look here. Look at my screen. I'm going to right click on square. Everyone saw my cursor is on square. I'm going to right click on square and say, I want to make it a link. Can we all work together? Boys, work together, please. I'm going to right click on square. Right click on square and say, make it a link. When you click on link, your computer will ask you a question. Where do you want to send the user? When the user clicks on square, where do you want to send them? Everyone, should I repeat this again? So guys, girls, when the user clicks on square, I want them to go to slide number 3. Agree? So right click on the word square. Right click on the word square and say link. I want to link it to something. I want to connect it to something. Then where do you want to connect it to? A place in this document. I want to connect it to a place in this document. Hyperlink, no problem. Link or hyperlink doesn't matter. I want to go to a place in this document. Where about? Where about? Slide number 3, square. I want to go to slide number 3, square. Are we okay with this? Okay. So now once you choose square, you can click on OK. Once you choose square, say OK. Now can you see square has become a hyperlink? It will not work now. It will work when you run the presentation. When the presentation is running, when you click on square, it will go to the square slide. Can you all do the same for rectangle, triangle, and circle? Boys, girls? So look here, rectangle. I'm going to right click on rectangle, link it or insert hyperlink. Where do I want to go? I want to go to a place in this document. Where about? Rectangle slide. And we say OK. Do the same for triangle. Right click, link it. Where to link it? A place in this document, triangle. And we say OK. Then circle. Right click on circle, link it. Link it where? To slide number 6, circle. And we say OK. So everybody, my hyperlinks are done. Can you all also do it? Save your work. Should I repeat for anyone? If you hold control and click, it works. True. Prabodha is true. Guys, if you want to test whether it's working, you can hold on to control and click. Everyone, hold on to control and click. It will work. Atif, what's happening there? Put it away. Everyone, press control and click also. You can test it. Okay, you don't have to start your presentation. Press control and click on circle. It will jump to circle slider. Okay, try it and see everybody.